Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate amazing color palettes for your projects, and you can in fact get the hex code for the same color palette so that you can use it on your programs as well while designing some pages. Now in order to do this, just simply open any browser, even in your smartphone also. And let me first open a new page. Once you do that, just simply go to the website which is named as COOLORS. Okay, just simply go over there, and once you go there, you can see this first site. Just simply tap over there, and now here, once it gets load, you're gonna see this option. You don't even need to sign in or do anything. Just simply hit start the generator, and a new fresh color palette has been generated in front of you. You can modify it, or you can generate another set of color palettes unlimited times, as many as you want, and you can even copy the hex code for the same. You're gonna see this option which says copy hex code. So now from here you can easily get the interesting color palettes for your projects. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.